Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the situation for Newton-Raphson method. So first what we have to understand is what is the use of Newton-Raphson method. The purpose of using the Newton-Raphson method is to find the root of the situation. Might be two roots, or the zeros, or the solution for a function which intersect at the x-axis or intersect between the two curves. So here we have the step. Number 1, determine the fx, where the fx is equals to 0. So for example, where we have x multiplied with ln x minus sin x is equals to 0. And we can rewrite the situation. Fx is equals to x multiplied with ln x minus with sin x. Second step is to find the derivative, or we can say the f prime x, or the dy dx, or the y prime. Step number 3 is to substitute the value of x naught, given the x naught might be the midpoint between the range, or we can say it a plus b over 2. So substitute the value x naught or the midpoint into the function where we have the x sub n plus 1, which is equals to x sub n minus the function f x sub n over f prime x sub n. Step number 4, detect the repeated value whenever you substitute the value into the formula. Number 5 is to determine the roots. So next what we have to do is to discuss an example. So here we have the situation. Show that the equation 2 multiplied with x cubed plus x squared is equals to 33 has a root between 2 and 2.5. Then find the roots correct to 3 significant figures. So now what we have to do is to, number 1, find the function fx. So rearrange the situation. So 2 multiplied with x cubed plus x squared minus 33 equals to 0. So as we can see, here we have the function of fx. So fx is equals to 2 multiplied with x cubed plus x squared minus 33. Step number 2 is to find the dy dx, or the first derivative, or f prime x or y prime. So where we have f prime x is equals to 6x squared plus 2x. Next what we have to do is to show the equation has a root between 2 and 2.5. So now what we have to do is to substitute the value 2 and 2.5 into the function fx. So kindly make use of the calculator. So f2 is equals to, substitute the value 2 into the function fx, and we will have negative 13. Substitute f 2.5 and we will have the value 4.5. So notice that we have opposite sign. So since we have opposite signs, show that there is a root between x equals to 2 and x equals to 2.5. So shown the situation. Next what we have to do is to find the root correct to 3 significant figures. So do remember, state the formula. So in here we have the formula x sub n plus 1 equals to x sub n minus f bracket x sub n over f prime x sub n. So in here, we have to find the x naught. So where we have x naught is equals to 2.5 plus with the 2 over 2. And the value of x naught is equals to 2.25. So kindly substitute the situation. So in here, when we substitute the 0 as an n, so we will have x1 equals to x0. 2.25 minus f, substitute the value 2.25, so here we have a bracket, so 2 multiplied with 2.25 cube plus bracket 2.25 squared minus 33 over we have f prime where we have 6 multiplied with 2.25 squared plus 2 multiplied with 2.25. So kindly refers to the calculator.
So now kindly refers to the screen. So what we have to do is to key in the formula. So in here we have alpha x minus, the situation is in ratio. So kindly key in the formula fx. So where we have 2 alpha x to the power of 3 plus alpha x square minus 33 over, kindly key in the formula f prime x where we have 6 alpha x square plus with the situation 2 alpha x. So here we already key in the function again into the formula. So next step is to key in or press the button calculate, key in the value 2.25. Press the button equals and we will have our answer. So meaning that in here the x1 is equals to 2.397849462. Next, what we have to do is to substitute the value x1 into the formula again. So now proceed with x sub 2 equals to 2.397849462 minus with the situation 2 bracket 2.397849462 to the power of 3 plus bracket 2.397849462 square minus 33 over, same goes to the denominator, square plus 2 multiplied with and kindly repeat the situation in the calculator. Press the button calculate and then press the button answer equals, and we will have the x2 is equals to 2.389618,492. Again, repeat the situation without stating the formula. Calculate, answer equals, and copy the situation. So 2. And repeat the situation again. Calculate, answer equals, and we have x4 is equals to 2. 2.389591.818. So you may repeat the situation again. So calculate, answer, equals. And we notice that we have detect the repetition. So repeated. So meaning that the roots will be x equals to 2.389591.818. So do remember, express your answer in 3 significant figures. So in here, we will have x is equals to 2.39. So here we are, and thanks for watching.